Amy Sapola, Director of Pharmacy with an F at the Chef's Garden. Today I'm cooking with our root vegetable slices, and we're gonna make a barbecued root vegetable sandwich. I'm just gonna start off with some bread. And you can see here the root vegetable slices have been cooked in cast iron with a little bit of olive oil and then just an amazing kind of Carolina style barbecue sauce. We added a little bit of this mustard. It's just a kind of a hydrated mustard seed. So each pack of root vegetable slices feeds about 4 people, as you can see. So you can make a really nice, generous sandwich for your entire family. So next, I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese. And now I'm just gonna let this melt in the air fryer. All right, so this is fresh out of the air fryer, nice and melty. And you might notice our bread here is a little bit darker. This is just the homemade buckwheat sourdough. It's gluten-free. I'm just gonna add some spinach here, and if you want to, you can tear it up or leave it whole. That spinach adds a beautiful green color and just a different texture to the sandwich. And then you can really top it however you like. So maybe giving it a little extra squirt of barbecue sauce. And I like to add maybe just a little bit more mustard. And there you have it. This is our barbecued root vegetable sandwich. So now my favorite part, I get to try it. These are so delicious. The veggie slices really absorb that barbecue sauce. Really, this maybe took 5 or 10 minutes, just searing it on the stovetop, getting it brown, and then putting it on warm toasty bread with some melted cheese. It's a really easy lunch or dinner, and they're so versatile. They're also really healthy. They're all root vegetables, 5 different types of root vegetables grown on our farm, sliced thin and then placed in a brine, ready to eat. So you can eat them raw, you can eat them cooked. They're really, really versatile. It has beets, carrots, turnips, radishes, and parsnips. And then of course, water, salt, a little bit of vitamin C, and some calcium chloride for crunch. So really a simple ingredient list with vegetables grown right on our farm. Thank you for joining me at home in my kitchen today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Chef's Garden. And for more recipes, you can find us at farmerjonesfarm.com.